Hey guys, Crypto Trends. This is Silverback and welcome to the daily report on the large cap cryptos. So this is following on from yesterday's report. If you haven't seen that, go back and have a look. Otherwise, we're basically just starting again here at round zero with BTC USD. We had a really good pump yesterday. And last 3 days really. Basically we've added 1.2% there. I've got with the portfolio that we got happening. I've had I'll just bring it across here. So essentially, with the mix of assets that we've got since yesterday, we've been running this about 16 hours, almost like a day, and we're up 5.7% as a running total at the moment. I'm going in here today. We just clicked over the new trading day and a new candle, so I'm just going to flick from normal candles to Heikin Ashi to see how we all look. And again, I'm seeing no bottom wick on the Heikin Ashi, so that means there's no price indecision. I'm not forecasting, but I'm saying the current trend is that we're going to continue higher into the rest of the day and tomorrow when we start a new day. This is the extended pump that we were hoping for. Now if I'm switching back to obviously, so essentially we're holding BTC as I just sort of outlined there between today and tomorrow, but outside that there's these ones in the blue that I've selected. These are the ones we decided to add into our portfolio, and I'm just going to go through these one at a time just to see if we've got any green candles that have started, and we do actually have Ethereum in here, which will have a stop loss at that level there. That's 3558. Sorry, 0.03558 BTC, and that is a new addition, so I've actually got to add that to the portfolio. What I did yesterday was I actually added I'll just change this right just now before I just jumped onto so I've added here we go, BTC 5x, that stands for 5x long, so it's a leverage long position on Bitcoin with 5% of the portfolio. Anytime I can sort of see that my Bitcoin position is under sort of 20%, then I'm happy to just play around with a little bit of leverage. When BTC is sort of at a proportion of the portfolio that's like 80% or 90%, you just got to watch your leverage. It's not worth it. Anything under 20%, then you can start having a bit of a play. As it has turned out with the markets and the way they've gone over the last 24 hours, all the positions you can see in blue there, they're all up. These are just reset, and then they're continuing up. Actually, XLM is 2.47% up in the last 4 minutes. Wow, that's crazy. But anyway, continuing on from where we started the conversation yesterday. I've just now added in ETH at 5x and along. Now the rationale behind that is that ETH before this just reset. I'll just click on it. As you can see here, this is ETH BTC, and it is actually pumping. So that is definitely a buy. I've actually put 5x leverage on it, and a larger allocation because it is actually beating BTC. I'm happy to shift that back to majority BTC and maybe see how the next day goes. But it's been working well so far. XRP is blasting away, no problem. BNB still struggling. We're not holding that at all. So Solana is fine. There's no hesitation in the price there. We'll need to move the stop loss closer. Dogecoin's again going great, no hesitation. ADA's going fantastically well. The TRX is still just a little engine that could, and I'm just moving up the stop level as it goes up. AVAX is moving very strong. Link is going up still, but I'm just going to move up the stop loss a little bit. Ton hasn't finished printing this candle. This will complete tomorrow, so we'll make a decision on that. We're actually out of time. We've got stopped out. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days back. So and it has been going down since. Shib is going strong. No hesitation there. Sui is going strong, but there is a little bit of a candle here that just closed. I'm just going to move the stop loss up a bit higher to lock in these gains from here to here. Just in case, but it's actually looking very strong. If I go to normal candles for a second, there's a massive. That was yesterday's candle, so that is yeah, that's very strong move. H bar, actually everything's done really well. H bar, moving the stop up, and it's still doing well. XLM. No need to move the stop closer. It's doing very well. Dot doing well. No need to move the stop. Bitcoin Cash is still doing well. I will move the stop up a little bit. OKB is still in the red. Don't touch it. Litecoin's still doing okay, and just moving the stop up a little bit closer to lock in more of those gains. Pepe is still going well. Just leave the stop where it is. Hyperliquid is still in the red. Not actually something I'm trading anyway, but Uni's going well. No need to move stops closer. And yeah, we're doing good. So yeah, essentially the total wrap up there was that we're doing good. There's nothing to add really in that whole update except for Ethereum. So add Ethereum in. Again, you don't have to do leverage. You can just basically come in here, add Ethereum at 5%. I have personally added given Bitcoin 5%. And I've given Ethereum, these are both leverage positions. That's 5x leverage and that's 15%. BTC 5x leverage at 5% allocation of funds. So what that basically means is I'm looking at this and I'm saying, okay, well, if that's in the green starting from now till tomorrow and remains in the green, then I'm better off having a little bit more weighting in sorry, where am I looking? Sorry. Ethereum. Here you go. Ethereum versus BTC. If that look, isn't that coincidental? It's actually 0 where I'm trying to make a point about it. If that goes into the green, that means I'm right. If it goes into the red, that means I'm wrong. So I should have actually just stated a higher weighting of BTC. But either way, it's 5%, 15%, just throwing around 10% on either or. Is what I'll look at during the day because I've got some time, and I'm happy. I'll just move that around during the day. Or if I see anything I'm not happy seeing, then I'll keep Ethereum at 5% like all the other assets, and just make the BTC and reduce the leverage if you want, or even have no leverage. It's completely up to you. See, I'm 0.03. I'm actually wrong, but over the last day, it's been actually very good. If I watch this, I mean that's how right it's been. So that continues, and there is no hesitation there actually on the daily. There's no hesitation there too. There's no reason to think that it's going to reverse back down. You do have a multi-day sort of trend that hasn't been broken there really. There's quite a few touches. So if you look at it like that, you can bring it down to here and look at it like that as well. But I prefer the more touches the better. Is the more accurate line. So yeah, we might turn around and come back and go. As long as we don't break through here, then we may get continuation. So yes, very happy with how everything's going. Having over 5% in a day is quite good. Even the weekly is busted out with some profit as well. So 5.71% is. I'll just work this out. Well, actually no, I don't need to. I can just go to here, press refresh, and that should be it's 2,957% annualized. So it's 5.76% in 17 hours. So congrats if you have been following along, and I'll be watching all these pairs. If anything starts sort of moving the wrong way, I have, as you know, I've set up stop losses. This is my trigger here, so I'll now put an alarm on that. So if you guys haven't got the upgraded TradingView to have multiple alarms, I do. This is my stop loss here, so I'm just going through them and just making sure the stop losses alarms are turned on. And I'll go through that with all of these assets. I think I've done most of them already, so that I'll get an alert and I'll be able to send you a quick message if anything goes down below my line in the sand, if it were, as it were. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Well, look, yeah, it looks like most of everything I've marked. There we go. There's one that happened. There we go. And so that's it. Basically, I'll let you guys know if there's anything changes in the. Just make sure, as if you are new, just below here, below this video, and an article you'll find. It says join subscriber chat. You have to join that, and then you'll receive emails from me if there's any one of these assets that we're holding with these 5% allocations. If there's anything there we're holding that is actually just changing trend, and between now and this time tomorrow. But otherwise, I'll speak to you tomorrow. Thanks. Have a great day, guys.